Assalamu alaikum. Hope dear friends you will be fine. Dear friends, we are discussing about the Incoterms. Our last videos were about the first two Incoterms EXW and FCA. Today's our video is about FAS. Let's before we start the FAS introduction, I will give you short introduction to Incoterms. Incoterms are international commercial terms are the series of predefined commercial terms published by International Chamber of Commerce relating to international commercial laws. Where are the Incoterms are used? Incoterms are widely used terms of sale. These are the set of 11 internationally recognized rules which define the responsibilities of seller and buyer. Incoterms specify who is responsible for paying, for managing the shipment, insurance, documentation, custom clearance, and logistic activities. Three major things are defined in the Incoterms. The first is responsibility, second cost, and the third is risk. Let's start the FAS. As we have discussed in the last videos, the major activities that are performed in the Incoterms are from seller to buyer warehouse. First is loading of at origin. Second is export custom declaration, carriage to port, unloading of truck in port, and fifth is loading on the vessel and carriage through sea or air, insurance, unloading in the port of import, second port, loading to the truck, carriage to the place of destination, and further import, custom clearance, import duties, and unloading at the destination of importer. As we have highlighted to distinguish which activities are differ from the above two Incoterms. As we have seen in the AEXW and FAS as highlighted in this picture, all responsibilities are done by buyer, and FAS first three responsibilities are done by seller and rest of all activities are buyer. In FAS, seller is responsible for loading at origin, to carriage of port, and unloading of truck at the port, and rest of other activities are done by the buyer. Here is the main difference as highlighted with respect to activities FAS and FCA. Hope the concept and the difference between the Incoterms FAS and FCA should be clear. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.